Tip 1. Cheesy tomato egg bites. First, I prepare 5 fresh tomatoes. I slice off the tops and remove the stems to create a flat surface that's easier to work with. Then, I place a pair of chopsticks on both sides of each tomato and carefully slice it into thin pieces, about 1 centimeter thick. Thanks to the chopsticks, the slices won't be cut all the way through, they'll stay slightly connected. Since I'm using 5 tomatoes, I repeat the same process with each one, carefully slicing them into 4 even sections, just like the first. I take my time to keep the cuts neat and consistent, so everything cooks evenly and looks more appealing. Once done, I remove the chopsticks and cut through every second slice. I gently follow the natural gaps between the slices and cut them in half. This step helps separate each portion cleanly, transforming them into beautifully shaped tomato patties. At this point, you'll have several evenly sized pieces, all ready for the next step in the recipe. Now you'll see each tomato forming little open mouths, which look beautiful and create the perfect space for stuffing. Next, I grate about 100 grams of cheese. Using a fork, I gently stuff small amounts of cheese between each pair of tomato slices. Be gentle during this step, as tomatoes are quite soft and can tear easily if handled too roughly. It's amazing how we can connect with people from all around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for your support. After stuffing the cheese, I start by preparing the egg mixture. I crack 3 eggs into a bowl. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, a pinch of black pepper. Then whisk everything together until smooth. Once it's ready, I set the bowl aside. Next, I prepare a small bowl and add 4 tablespoons of flour, creating a light coating that will help the ingredients stick perfectly in the next steps. Place it next to the egg mixture. Then, I add a 3rd bowl filled with breadcrumbs. Now, I take each tomato piece and dip it into the flour first, making sure it's lightly and evenly coated. Then, I transfer it into the egg mixture so the surface is fully covered. Finally, I roll it in the breadcrumbs, creating a crispy outer layer that will turn beautifully golden when fried. I repeat the same process with the remaining tomato slices, working carefully to ensure each piece is evenly prepared and just as beautiful as the first. Once everything is ready, I heat a pan with enough oil. When the oil is hot, I gently place each tomato piece into the pan and fry over medium heat. I flip them occasionally to ensure both sides turn golden and crispy. After about 8 to 10 minutes, they're perfectly cooked, and the cheese inside is melted and fragrant. When you take them out, you'll see a crispy golden crust on the outside, with soft, juicy tomatoes and rich, gooey cheese inside. It's a unique and incredibly delicious snack or appetizer, perfect when you want to try something new with familiar ingredients. Which country are you watching this video from? Let me know in the comments below. It's amazing how we can connect with people from all around the world. Tip 2. Eggs and sausage. To begin, I prepare 2 sausages with the casings removed. Then, I place 2 wooden skewers along both sides of each sausage and carefully score thin cuts across the surface. Just like with the tomatoes earlier, the skewers prevent the knife from cutting all the way through. Next, I remove the skewers, flip the sausages over, and slice them in half lengthwise. At this point, each half becomes flexible and easy to shape. I gently roll each piece into a circle and secure it with a toothpick, creating small, round molds. Repeating the same process, I end up with 4 neat and beautiful sausage rings. I place a pan on the stove, add a little oil, and spread it evenly across the surface. Then, I arrange the sausage molds in the pan and cook them over low heat for about 2 minutes, just until they firm up slightly and hold their shape. Meanwhile, I crack 4 eggs into a large bowl, handling them gently to keep the yolks intact. Then, I carefully separate the 4 yolks into small bowls. Next, I gently place 1 yolk into the center of each sausage ring. As the eggs cook, the bright yolks sitting in the sausage rings begin to resemble small flowers, very eye-catching. I added a little salt and sprinkled some pepper. Cover the pan and continue cooking on low heat for about 4 minutes. Now, you might be wondering what I'll do with the leftover egg whites. I use a mixer to whip the egg whites until they become light and fluffy. Once the egg whites are ready, I pour them into a pan and spread them evenly with a spoon. It's amazing how we can connect with people from all around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for your support. Then I wash and slice a tomato. Arranging the slices neatly over the surface of the eggs. Next, I chop a little green onion and sprinkle it on top to add extra flavor. I cover the pan and cook on low heat for about 3 to 4 minutes. At this point, I grate some cheese over the top. Cover the pan again and cook for another 4 minutes until the cheese is fully melted. Once done, I transfer this fluffy egg pancake to a plate and serve it together with the sausage egg rings we just made. The final dish is not only visually appealing but also incredibly delicious, perfect for breakfast or a light meal. And just like that, with a few simple ingredients and a little bit of time, we've created 2 incredibly delicious dishes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is what motivates me to keep sharing more easy and healthy cooking tips every day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.